This time we want to talk a little bit about tires on your RV. So we have a small Class C motorhome. You know, we recently got to thinking about our tires. And tires are good for, it's not so much mileage in most RVs because we don't really drive that much every year. So it's time. How many years are tires good for?
Guys, get me! I'm going
And tires are super important because they're the ones that keep you safe. So obviously inflation is important. Proper PSI on your tire. We should all check that before we hit the road. But we were thinking about how old these tires are because we've never replaced a tire since we bought this unit. And we've had it now for 6 years, 7 years. So it's very long. And come to find out, tires should be replaced every 3 to 4 years. So if they're well maintained, always properly inflated, you could probably stretch it out to 4 years. And there is a way, excuse me, there is a way to check on your tire how old they are, what year they were made. And we looked at our tire and they were pretty old. So I'm going to show you where you can check that on your tire. If you look closely, right here, this number, that's 4-digit number, you'll see a 52 and a 12. So the first two numbers are the weeks of the year. So this tire was made in the 52nd week of the year. So I'm guessing December, and then 12 is the year. 5712 is December 2012. Okay, now that we've checked the tire outside and we realized that this thing was made December 2012 and it is now June 2020. That's 7 years. Amazing that these tires lasted us this long, and we've got only, I think we've got 20,000 miles on our rig. So it's not much, but again, it's 7 years. So we decided it's time to replace them. We are more on the cautious side. We want to be safe when we're traveling on the road, so we went ahead and looked for new tires. I know Leslie was busy on TireRack.com to see if we can get the same tire. Obviously this tire has been great, and to get it maybe drop shipped to a place here in town where who's going to be installing them. And it turned out that the place we've chosen, Discount Tire here in town, they don't allow, or a Tire Direct doesn't drop ship to them. So what they've offered us is to get the exact same tire. They just order them for us and install them. They can have them there within a day, which was awesome. Now this tire on discount on TireRack.com was $154 per tire. So we need a total of 6 tires. So on TireRack.com, the total would have been like around $927 for all 6 tires. So at Discount Tire, he can get the exact same tire for $150 a piece. $4 cheaper a tire than on TireRack.com. So the total with installation, everything done out the door, cost us $1,126. So we thought it's a lot of money for sure, but for our peace of mind's sake, we thought it was a reasonable amount that we went ahead and ordered the tires, and we will get them installed this week. Today we are taking the RV to Discount Tire to get the tires replaced. We have an appointment there at 9 o'clock this morning, and hopefully it all goes without a hitch. And I can take her home with brand new shoes. I have my bicycle in tow. So the plan is to drop off the RV. I typically am not the kind of guy that likes to hang around there and wait. I always have to do something. So I brought my bicycle and I'm gonna ride from the tire store to a gym. I think it's probably about a 25 minute ride each way, and do a little workout while they're working on the RV. And that way I sort of get two things done at the same time, get a little bit of exercise and get new tires for the RV. So that's the plan. Hope it all works out. We shall see.
Being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick that.
All right. RV's dropped off. Takes about 2 hours to get the tires changed, and I'm gonna be on my bike now, riding to the fitness center, and yeah, kill 2 hours, and then I'll be back.
Switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young, let's go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
Done with the gym, but just as a side note, this is one cool box to lock up your bike. Love this bike box.
So take me on a trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid.
Okay, back at the tire place, and pick up the RV and check out new tires. New babies. So I've asked them to line up these hubcaps with my valve stems, because last time we had it done at Chevy when they did a tire rotation, they took the hubcaps off, put them back on, but never lined them up with valve stems. So I was never able to check tire pressure at air unless I took off the hubcaps and repositioned them myself. Since it was mainly stored, I've asked them to really make sure they line them up good, and they did it on this tire. There's the stem. Okay, they did it here. All right, that's good. I can get good here. The tires look good. Brand new shoes. Right here. Okay, so I'm happy with that part of it, that they did listen to my instructions and they did do a good job lining up the valve stems. So if you ever get a tire replacement and you have those kind of hubcaps, you want to make sure, or just a tire rotation, always make sure that line up your hubcaps with your valve stems. Otherwise, it's a pain, and you know what, pull off all the hubcaps and realign them. I mean, it's just work that you shouldn't have to do when you pay somebody to rotate your tires or put new tires on. You should just do it the right way the first time. Chevy didn't. This place, Discount Tire, did. So thumbs up for that.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so we have our new tires, which are great, but you guys know tires have to be maintained and taken care of. So typically, what I have done in the past is we would put our tire covers on, because you know, we're in Florida or anywhere where it's hot, and you know, the rubber dries out and it starts to crack possibly, so you want to protect that rubber. And so those tire covers have, you know, worked for us in the past, but quite frankly, they're a pain to put on and off all the time, I have to be honest. Plus, they really get dirty and they start looking kind of nasty, so I don't really use them anymore. What I've started using is this product. It's a rubber care from Aero Cosmetics. So it's made, you know, it protects from UV. And so instead of using the covers, I just every couple of weeks I will use this product and spray it on the tires. You know, directions are on the bottle. If you're interested in this product, I will leave a link below in the descriptions with a link to Amazon. That's where I bought it from, and you can check it out. So it's the alternative to the tire covers. If you're like me and you don't want to take them on and off all the time, this might be a solution for you, and this is what I'm doing right now. So I don't know, what do we call this? It's like happy hour, but
Happier hour.
happier hour. We're out here in some park boondocking, and so we've put new tires on this RV today. Yeah, I mean, the overall experience with Discount Tires, who we used. So Leslie did all the shopping for the tires.
Well, I went to Tire
Rack.
but they don't accept Tire Rack at Discount Tire, so they actually just price matched what I had found.
Yes.
So we got it actually cheaper.
So TireRack.com is a good first place to start. They will drop ship to some locations, but not all locations.
But Discount Tire will price match. So if they
Yeah.
find it cheaper, they'll price match it. So which is always good. So we got all 6 tires, and now we're out at the park.
So we got all 6 tires on there. I think the staff was great. They said today when I dropped it off that it would take about 2 hours to do them all. I actually got a call in an hour and a half that it was done, so they under-promised, over-delivered, which is always a nice thing. And everything was ready when I got there, so I got to give them a thumbs up. Here in Claremont, Discount Tire, we dealt with Sean, who set up the appointment, and then a guy named, I think it's his nickname is Snow.
It's his last name.
No, it's his first name. I think he told me that's his nickname because I think his name is Sean too, and they have a few Seans there, so they call him Snow. Talk about the protection thing that we got. So we got some protection plan on the tires. Protection plan for all tires, I think it was $129. He said it covers all tires on the RV for the life of the tire. Anything to do with the threat, a nail or something in the tire, if they can't fix it, they'll replace it. Is that right?
Yes.
That's what it is?
Yes.
Why didn't you say that?
Because they don't want to hear about the tires. They want to hear about Mike's Hard Pineapple Mandarin Lemonade Special Edition.
Okay, so
This makes happier hour happier.
Tell us about that, because you can see who's doing the talking. Full, not full.
I'm on vacation.
Okay. But yeah, tire safety is important. Keep up with your tires. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below for us. If you like this video, again, thumbs up would be great. If you haven't subscribed to us, to our channel, please do so.
They don't want to see us. They want to see Suka laying his head in the bowl.
Yeah. Our dogs are just chilling right now, thank God.
His head's in the water bowl.
His head's in the water bowl? Oh yeah, it is. That's true. Anyways. Thanks for watching Road Notes. See you later.
You're cut off. Can't handle your alcohol, clearly.
So of course I just spilled half of my drink all over the place,
Everywhere.
and somebody's there. Somebody came to the rescue. Oh,
The
well.
upside to an RV is you can only make so much of a mess.
And all because of this guy, because I wanted to show you his head in the water bowl, but that didn't happen because
His head's not in the bowl anymore.
no, his head was in the wine cooler after it dropped all over the floor.
Yeah. Now the rug needs cleaned, right, Sue? Hey.
And the other one slept through the whole thing. Okay, so we're home now. Nope, cut.